Love RGB and want your desk to look as powerful as your gameplay? In 2025, mousepads are no longer just surfaces. They're immersive, customizable lighting hubs for your entire setup. Let's dive into the best RGB mousepads that light up your gaming experience and deliver unbeatable style and function. Razer Firefly V2 Pro. Razer's Firefly V2 Pro is a fully illuminated RGB gaming mouse mat with an ultra-sleek 15-zone chroma backlit design. With a micro-textured surface for precise tracking and a built-in USB 2.0 pass-through port, this pad combines aesthetics and performance like no other. The detachable USB-C cable adds portability, while the anti-slip base keeps your moves rock solid. This is the go-to pad for Razer fans and chroma setups. Check the description below to get the Firefly V2 Pro at the best price. SCH-K-Enter RGB mousepad with wireless charging. The SCH-K-Enter pad offers 15 watts wireless charging and a generous 800 by 300 millimeter surface. Perfect for full-size keyboards and large mouse movements. You get 10 RGB lighting modes, a waterproof layer, and a non-slip rubber base. It's ideal for gamers and creatives who want both convenience and RGB aesthetics in a single product. Check out the SCH-K-Enter RGB pad from the description and keep your desk both charged and glowing. Razer Goliathus Extended Chroma Halo Infinite Edition. For fans of both RGB and Halo, the Razer Goliathus Chroma Extended delivers a soft cloth feel combined with vibrant lighting effects. It's optimized for speed and control and features non-slip rubber backing for grip. The Halo Infinite design adds exclusive appeal, making it a collector's favorite while still being tournament ready. Link in the description if you want to light up your battle station with Razer style. HiWe RGB Gaming Mousepad with wireless charging. The HiWe Gaming Mousepad brings serious innovation with built-in magnetic wireless charging, making it a game-changer for clutter-free charging. Measuring 35 by 15.8 inches, it provides a massive surface for your mouse and keyboard. With 24 customizable RGB light effects, a waterproof ultra-smooth surface, and a non-slip base, it's the ultimate RGB command center for gamers who multitask and stay powered. Find the link below to grab the HiWe mousepad with wireless charging. Corsair MM700 RGB Extended Mousepad. The Corsair MM700 is a massive 36.6-inch cloth surface designed with 360-degree RGB lighting and an integrated 2-port USB hub, making it a fantastic addition for streamers or multitaskers. With a thick rubber base, you get comfort and stability during long hours of play or work. It's especially great for setups where space and connectivity matter as much as color. Tap the description to check out the Corsair MM700 and light up your desk. Whether you're after immersive lighting, wireless charging, or just pure desk domination, these RGB mousepads are the ultimate upgrade in 2025. All product links are in the description below. Click through to compare prices and pick the one that matches your setup vibe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know. Which RGB mousepad is lighting up your wish list?